This is a short shifter install for 92 through 2000 Honda Civic D series. There's the old and the new. You want to take this boot off, the original shifter, without tearing it. It's kind of hard. I'd rather just slip it down. Before you do anything, you want to jack it up, put it in gear, first gear, take the handbrake off, and you want to take off the original shift knob. Just twist it off, and then the rest is going to be from the bottom. And there, in the linkages, you're going to have to take off a total of 2 nuts and 1 other nut. The nut that goes from here to here, take that one off. And then you're going to take these 2 nuts that go here to here, and that'll drop the shifter down.